Look at this innocent turtle. He lives in the ocean, but it's not a very safe place for him. This is because the ocean is filled with awful pollutants. There are about 5.25 trillion pieces of trash in the ocean, and the numbers are growing every day. Did you know that water can dissolve more substances than any other liquid in the world? Toxic things on land dissolve into the ocean, which dirties the water, causing ocean pollution. But what factors are contributing to ocean pollution, and what are the long-term consequences for marine life? Why is trash ending up in the ocean? Well, the answer is humans. Every minute, garbage trucks dump plastic and garbage into the ocean. It's not just that. When people litter on land, the trash ends up in the drains, which flows to the oceans. Also, your everyday trash that you throw into the garbage can fly away if it is not closed properly, which also leads to the drains. Pollution also comes from fishermen when they intentionally abandon their fishing gear and leave it in the ocean. The main cause of ocean pollution is humans, but how are humans contributing to ocean pollution? Light pollution. Light pollution is caused by humans using their lights too much and other lights you see outside. Light pollution mostly affects sea turtles. They are disoriented by artificial light. For mother turtles, this light is problematic because it makes it harder for them to find nesting sites. It also affects newly hatched turtles because they can't find the ocean when they are hatched. Fun fact, only 1 in 1,000 turtles make it to the ocean when they are born. Noise pollution is another pollution caused by humans. According to NRDC in the article Ocean Pollution: The Dirty Facts, the ocean is far from a silent world. Humans create noise that makes it hard for animals to hear. For example, cetaceans mostly use noise to communicate, but when ocean boat traffic increases, communicating over long distances is hard. Also, seismic air guns are used to find things under the sea and buried objects. They can reach up to 250 decibels, which is how noise is measured. The airgun blast can travel 2,500 miles and repeat every few seconds for 24 hours, which disrupts the animals. Trash, noise, light. But what are other pollutants affecting marine life? Oil and chemicals contribute to ocean pollution too. How do chemicals and oil affect ocean pollution? Oil spills are a very huge problem in the ocean. For example, the Exxon Valdez tanker hit a coral reef on March 24, 1989. This tanker was carrying oil, and when it hit the reef, it spilled 11 million gallons of oil. It contaminated 1,300 miles of coastline, killed an estimated 2,800 sea otters, 300 harbor seals, and 250,000 birds. This oil spill was known as the worst oil spill in history until 2010. Some people dump oil into the ocean illegally. According to Dr. Jyotika Vermani, who was an oceanographer in the 1980s, a man was dumping thousands of barrels of oil into the water. When they sent cameras down there, they found 10,000 barrels of oil. Ocean pollution is a very big problem now, but imagine what it would be like in the future. What do scientists predict about the future if ocean pollution doesn't end? Unfortunately, the future isn't looking too great. 90% of coral reefs could be dead. If you didn't know, coral reefs provide oxygen to the animals. Also, the temperatures of the ocean are rising. The temperature of the ocean depends on how much oxygen it can hold. Hot water can't hold that much. Animals need oxygen to survive, and as you know, ocean pollution kills lots of animals. If ocean pollution continues, marine life extinction is a possibility. Scientists predict by 2050 there could be more plastic in the ocean than fish. The ocean covers 70% of Earth's surface, and if the ocean is slowly dying, everything could eventually dry out. Animals used to have a great life in the ocean until the late 1960s. This is when scientists started to notice ocean pollution. How does ocean pollution make it hard for animals to survive? Since most ocean species swim, the trash can get wrapped around them, or they are covered in heavy oil and they can't swim. If they can't swim or move, they really wouldn't be able to live. They would just sink because they can't move their fins and they can't go anywhere to find food. They also eat the trash that is in the ocean because they think it's other animals. For example, a plastic bag. Turtles eat jellyfish and they think the plastic bags are jellyfish. Plastic takes a very long time to decompose. It can take hundreds of years. Animals don't live for hundreds of years, so the trash they encounter could be there for the rest of their lives. Ocean pollution also destroys habitats. This is because the pollutant sticks to the coral reefs and then it is inaccessible. Bioaccumulation, which is the building up of toxins in the tissue of organisms, affects animals' lives because the pollutants in the water build up inside the animal's tissue, which leads to irritation in the nervous system. Ocean pollution is a major problem. The factors contributing to ocean pollution are humans, and the long-term consequences for marine life are habitat damage, marine life extinction, and lowering oxygen levels. So next time you go to the beach and you see trash, pick it up because it can go a long way. So let's help save our oceans.